What's up, everybody? This is Ethan from Nor'easter Game Calls. I've been helping Mark out in the shop a little bit, doing stuff here and there. He said you guys wanted to hear some sound files of some different duck calls, so here we go. All right, so as a lot of you may know, there are no two duck calls that sound the same. I have 4 duck calls from Nor'easter Game Calls, and none of them sound the same. But we're going to start with this one. So this is a Buckeye Burl with green resin. Very, very pretty call. Again, all of Mark's calls, all of Nor'easter Game Calls, made of different types of wood and acrylic, and all of them come out really, really nice. You can view them all on nor'eastergamecalls.com. So this is the Buckeye Burl. All right, moving into the more raspy side of things, I have this mulberry burl wood with an orange resin. That's what that looks like. Very, very pretty call. Again, all of them are really pretty. This one is more raspy, so here you go. And then if you like calls that are the opposite of what I just blew, you probably want a flatter sounding call. This was actually my senior project duck call. So here you go. Here's this one. All right, so as I mentioned in the previous clip, there are no two duck calls that sound the same, and Mark Buzzell has proven that at Nor'easter Game Calls. Check him out on Facebook and Instagram, and if you would like to purchase the calls, I don't know why you wouldn't want to purchase them, go to nor'eastergamecalls.com, place your order, and get them in close.